Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The present litigation pertains to land left behind by Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi, daughter of Sri Sardha Ram and mother of plaintiffs Baldev Singh and others. Sri Sardha Ram left behind and measuring 87 canals 1 marla inherited by his class 1 heirs including Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi to the extent of 23 canals 4 marlas out of total land measuring 87 canals 1 marla. On the death of Sri Sardha Ram, Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi became co-owner in joint possessions of total land measuring 87 canals 1 marla with her brothers Ram Singh and Shiv Ram, defendants in the suit. Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi passed away on 2/4/1980. Mutation in regard to inheritance of Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi on the basis of will dated 26/12/1979 bearing number 295 was sanctioned in favor of Ram Singh, defendant number 1, in the year 1994. Though in the suit there was also dispute, qua decree dated 26/3/1994 passed in case titled Shivram etc. versus Sarupi on the basis whereof mutation number 296 was sanctioned, but in the present appeal the dispute is only qua inheritance to the land left behind by Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi. Counsel for the parties have fairly conceded that there is no dispute that Baldev Singh and others plaintiffs in the suit are the class 1 heirs of Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi. It is also an admitted fact that Ram Singh, represented by his legal representatives, is the brother of Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi and the maternal uncle of Baldev Singh and others. Mutation number 295 in respect of land left behind by Srimati Jasmero Devi was sanctioned in favor of Ram Singh on the basis of will dated 26/12/1979 alleged to be executed by Srimati Jasmero alias Ajmero Devi. It is also not disputed that the said will has not seen the light of day in the present litigation, much less having been proved in accordance with law in order to negate plea of the plaintiffs that they have become co-owners of the suit land on the basis of natural succession. The sole submission made by counsel for the appellants is that the suit instituted by the plaintiffs respondents is clearly barred by limitation, as they have failed to challenge mutation number 295 dated 21/5/1994 within a period of 3 years from the date of sanction. To substantiate the contention, it has been argued with vehemence that plea raised by the respondents plaintiffs in the suit that they were in possession of the suit land and were disposed about 6 months prior to institution of the suit has no legs to stand, as there is no material on record to substantiate their plea in this regard. It is further argued that as the respondents have failed to adduce any evidence, much less tangible, to prove that they were in possession of the suit land at any time, much less 6 months prior to institution of the suit, the courts below have committed a grave error, rather illegality, in deciding the issue of limitation in favor of the respondents and against the appellant. Stop.